In this tutorial, we're going to learn how you can control the print area of your spreadsheet. Right here we have special order pricing invoice, and as you can see just by looking at these little dotted lines, which will come up whenever you hit print preview, I'm too far over to the right and I'm also going too far down if I'm wanting to print this on a single page. If you come up here, and I added print preview to my quick start guide, but I could also click on file and then click on print and it'd bring up the same page. So here you go, you see our special order price, and you can see it extends too far to the right. There's a few different ways you could do it. You could do it the hard way and just start trying to trim this down and try to shrink it a little bit, and you could spend a lot of time trying to print that all on one page. There's a lot easier way to do it that Excel has built into it automatically. Go back to the print preview dialog box, and one thing you could do is you could change the margins. Right now we have normal margins. We could change them to where they're narrow, but as you can see that still doesn't fix it. So I'm going to leave those normal. And then if you look down below right here, you have something called scaling. With scaling, right now it says there's no scaling. What we can do is change that so it fits on one sheet. So I select fit on one sheet, and now, as you can see on the bottom, it's shrunk it down automatically and it's scaled it so it all will print on a single page. This is a great way to do that. This is also the same dialog box where you could change if you want it in portrait or if you want it in landscape. And as you can see, because we still have fit on one sheet, it actually is still there even though it really should be going on to a second page. As you saw, you can control the margins, make those more narrow, and you could also change the size of the paper. If you wanted to print it on legal, this is where you would do it. So there's a lot of neat kind of shortcuts that will save you a lot of time that all can be handled right in this print preview section of Excel. To get back, you just click home and it takes you right back to where you started.